Hello, my dear English learner. How are you all? Hope you're doing great. So, today in this video, I am just going to share with you some question and answers. How you can ask questions in English and how you can answer the question. Okay, so stay connected till the very end with me. If this video going to be helpful for you, so make sure like, share, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Also, you just give me your feedback as well in the comment section. So without any further delay, let's start. How old is your little sister? How old is your little sister? My little sister is 5 year old. My little sister is 5 year old. Do you have a grandma or grandpa? Do you have a grandma or grandpa? Yes, I have grandma. Yes, I have grandma. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is in August. My birthday is in August. Do you share a room with any siblings? Do you share a room with any siblings? Yes, I share a room with my sister. Yes, I share a room with my sister. Next is, what is your favorite thing to drink? What is your favorite thing to drink? My favorite drink is iced tea. My favorite drink is iced tea. Do you like to exercise? Do you like to exercise? Yes, I enjoy jogging. Yes, I enjoy jogging. Next is, how often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week. Okay. What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name? My sister's name is Amanda. My sister's name is Amanda. You can mention your sister's name. Who cooks dinner in your family? Who cooks dinner in your family? My mom usually cooks dinner. My mom usually cooks dinner. Okay, so now next. Do you have family game nights? Do you have family game nights? Yes, we have game nights on Fridays. Can you swim underwater? Can you swim underwater? Yes, I can swim underwater. Yes, I can swim underwater. Next is, what is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is the Lion King. Do you have a favorite board game? Do you have a favorite board game? Yes, I enjoy playing chess. Yes, I enjoy playing chess. Can you speak louder? Can you speak louder? Yes, I can speak louder. Yes, I can speak louder. Now, next is, do you enjoy going to the beach? Do you enjoy going to the beach? Yes, I love spending time at the beach. Yes, I love spending time at the beach. So, you can mention where you feel happy. Okay, what is your favorite dessert? What is your favorite dessert? I love chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake. Okay, so now next is, do you like to go to the gym? Do you like to go to the gym? Yes, I enjoy working out at the gym. Yes, I enjoy working out at the gym. Next is, where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in Seoul. I was born in Seoul. You can mention your birthplace. Okay, do you like surprises? Do you like surprises? Yes, I love surprises. Yes, I love surprises. So next is, have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I have been to Italy. Do you like to go for walk? Do you like to go for walk? Yes, I enjoy taking walks in the evening. Yes, I enjoy taking walks in the evening. So next is, What type of movies do you like? What type of movies do you like? I love romantic comedies. I love romantic comedies. Do you play a musical instrument? Do you play a musical instrument? No, I can't play any instrument. No, I can't play any instrument. Do you like to read book? Do you like to read book? Yes, I enjoy reading books. Yes, I enjoy reading books. How many languages do you know? How many languages do you know? I speak two languages. I speak two languages. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English very well. Yes, I can speak English very well. How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? I have been learning English since I was 8. I have been learning English since I was 8. Which year which year are you in? Which year are you in? I am in the 4th year. I am in the 4th year. Now next is, do you have any exams coming up? Do you have any exams coming up? I have graduated. I have graduated. How did you learn English? How did you learn English? I took an intensive course. I took an intensive course. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is maths. My favorite subject is maths. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? It's not your business. It's not your business. Is there anything I can do to help? Is there anything I can do to help? It's okay, thanks. It's okay, thanks. What's the matter? What's the matter? Nothing, I am fine. Nothing, I am fine. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to go to the zoo. I would like to go to the zoo. What's the date today? What's the date today? It's the 16th of September. It's the 16th September. How is the weather? How is the weather? It's raining. It's raining. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? I went to the park. I went to the park. What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? I like Christmas. I like Christmas. You can say I like Christmas holiday. Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Yes, I can ride a bike. Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies? No, I don't have any allergies. No, I don't have any allergies. What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend? I went to the park with my friends. I went to the park with my friends. Do you like to take photos? Do you like to take photos? Yes, I enjoy taking pictures. Yes, I enjoy taking pictures. What is your dream job? What is your dream job? I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Can you dance? Can you dance? Yes, I can dance a little. Yes, I can dance a little. Okay. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee. What is your favorite type of flower? What is your favorite type of flower? I love roses. I love roses. Do you like to go camping? Do you like to go to camping? Yes, I enjoy camping. Yes, I enjoy camping. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in an apartment in the city. I live in an apartment in the city. Can you juggle? Can you juggle? No, I can't juggle. No, I can't juggle. Next is, what time is it? What time is it? It's 2:30 p.m. It's 2:30 p.m. Can you ride a horse? Can you ride a horse? No, I haven't ridden a horse before. No, I haven't ridden a horse before. So you can answer according to your situation. Okay, this is the only example for you. So if this video is helpful for you, so make sure like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Namaste to all of you. Thank